Alright, I don't know if this is going to help anybody, but on the X1 carbon, I did take this side panel off. This would also apply to the P1, P1S. This is the X1 normal. The front idler pulleys can get froze up or start squeaking. You'll notice squeaking first. Notice the bottom clearance of that idler pulley, and then notice the bottom clearance of this idler pulley. It's like negative clearance. It's actually recessed. Come on, focus. It's recessed into the plastic. So I've been trying to get the pressed in pin out. There's a pin here. You can see it sticking out there. I did manage to get it, let's see where the, oops, pardon my organization here. I did manage to get it out. I used one of these curved picks. You stick it in that hole there as far as you can, and then you'll be on the top of that pin, and you can kind of twist and pry. I did unfortunately break the tip of my pick there, and then I switched to, oh come on, why are you stuck? And then I switched to this pick for a little bit extra prying, and then I grabbed my best needle nose pliers. Actually, these are just long nose pliers, not needle nose, and I was able to get it just barely on the edge while it was further up in there, and give it a twist and a pull, and then here's the final pull, getting that out. So how's this look? Well, that looks okay. It's not like worn through. And then here I should be able to pull the pulley out, although it is stuck in its own groove. Scratching that up pretty good, but that's okay. Could also maybe pry from the back side here, or maybe if we, my lighting setup here is janky. Maybe if we give it a little bit of a, there we go. And you're still stuck. Put the light like that, and stick this in there. There we go. So this is one worn out pulley. Is there supposed to be a bearing in there? Because that does not look like how a bearing should be. And then here we can see how it wore into that face. Get my other little flashlight here and up in there. I don't see anything going on there. So it's just worn into the bottom one, I think due to bearing failure on the pulley. There's also supposed to be a spacer washer, but I don't know if it flew out. What's this? Is that printed? Yeah, that's something I printed. That's not it. No. Well, there's supposed to be spacers in there too, and so I don't know what happened to those. So luckily I should be able to replace just that pulley. They do offer it on their website for like $7. Stick that back in there with the spacers, press this guy back in, and I should be good to go.